You are welcome. This is Queen's Desk. I want to talk about the legal status of an unsigned document. That is, what are the implications where you have a document that is not signed? The moment you intend a document or an agreement to be binding on you or to be binding on the parties to the agreement, it is mandatory that the document must be duly signed by you, or where you have more persons, by all the parties. This is because an unsigned document, an unsigned agreement in law has no efficacy. It is not binding and it is not enforceable on parties. In fact, it is worthless and does not show that it emanates from whoever made it. That is why it is important that a document which you intend to be binding on you or binding on parties must be signed. Do you know that an unsigned document or agreement does not support your case in court? And where or peradventure such document is admitted in court, the judge will not attach any probative value to that document. This is because an unsigned document, the legal status of an unsigned document, is nothing but a worthless piece of paper that belongs to the trash can, that belongs to the dustbin. So what is the legal status of an unsigned document? It is a worthless paper that belongs to the trash can. So can you see how serious it is to append your signature on a document or an agreement that you intend to be binding on parties in the eyes of the law? Don't forget that the law has no place for sentiments. That, oh, you wanted to sign, oh, maybe you forgot. There is nothing like that in law. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. And so, he who asserts that a thing exists must be able to prove by credible evidence before a court of law. I take that again. Whoever asserts, whoever is claiming that something exists, that a state of affairs exists, must prove it before a court of law by credible evidence. And what is your evidence? What are your documents? The documents you intend to support your case. Do you know that this sensitive issue, as small as it looks, has made a lot of people lose good cases in court? You might not really appreciate this piece of information until you are confronted with a real life situation. Don't fall a victim. You have been informed. Act right.